Are you tired of struggling with knotless braid touch-ups? Are you frustrated by uneven rows? In this video, I'll share my expert tips and techniques for identifying the exact rows to take down for a flawless touch-up. No more guesswork or mistakes, whether you're a seasoned braider or just starting out. This video will provide you with the knowledge and confidence to achieve salon quality results at home. So let's dive in and discover the secret to perfect knotless braid touch-ups. I'm clearly due for a touch-up. I'm gonna go ahead and take this ponytail down and I'm gonna show you guys, the rows that I require when I do my touch-ups. I know you're probably thinking, what is a touch-up and what is it for? Don't worry, I got you. A touch-up is made to help your style last just a little bit longer than it did before. Knotless braids usually last anywhere between 4 to 6 weeks with proper care. And if you do a touch-up, it could last anywhere between 8 to 12 weeks. If we start from the middle, we have 2 rows on each side. You're going to take down these 2 rows. You stop at the crown. The crown is the curved part right at the top of your head. We're gonna take all of that out. Make sure you go all the way around, okay? That's the first section. And then the second section, these 2 rows on each side. So we've got these 2 rows and then we've got these 2 rows. Remember, your middle part is the starting point. And we've got these 2 rows, okay? Me personally, as a stylist, I don't do the back for a touch-up. Other stylists do the full perimeter, like all the way in the back. Some stylists do 2 rows coming in all the way in the back. Some stylists do all the front. It just depends on your stylist, guys. Every stylist is different. Everyone uses a different technique and a different method. So that is a touch-up. I hope that answered all your guys' questions. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, join the family. We welcome all of you. And thank you so much for tuning in today. Have a good one.